What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you guys know we're gonna be doing a tutorial today. So yeah, like I promised, I'm gonna be doing more makeup tutorials. If you guys can see this look, that's the one that we're gonna accomplish today using the Beauty Creations Elsa palette. So if you guys would like to see how I accomplish this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off by setting my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this light shade real quick. As you guys know, I like to go ahead and do my brow bone highlight before I start my full eyeshadow look. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to use that one for my brow bone as the highlight. I like to do the step, guys, because I like to know how far I want to take my eye look. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here. We're gonna go ahead and use that one as my transition. You guys know how much I love oranges. So yes, we're gonna use an orange. This is what the shade looks like. I want the orange to be my transition color, so we're gonna go ahead and play with that one. I'm gonna go ahead and slightly add it all over and make sure you guys blend pretty good. We want that orange to show, but not really. Like, you know, it's there, but not really. So we're gonna blend it all over the eye. We're gonna grab a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna leave that one alone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so next we are gonna go with this shade right here, and that one I just wanted to add a little darker brown on the sides. So right below the orange, we're gonna go ahead and add this brown, and this is what the brown looks like, more of a brown red. So we're gonna add it very slowly here. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just like that. Okay, so now we're moving into purples, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using this dark purple on here. And it's pretty dark. So this is what the purple looks like. And that one, we're actually gonna add it like on the corner. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna add here as well, okay? So that's the only areas we're gonna be adding that purple. So we're gonna be blending slowly. Blend that purple in. Just like this. So see how that purple is in there? So I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I want the purple to be pretty dark, so I'm gonna add a lot. Well, not a lot, I mean the pigmentation's bomb already. So this look, it's supposed to be purple and blue, so we're gonna add purple, a lot of purple, guys. See? You gotta trust the process. Okay, guys, so really quick, we're gonna go back into this orange shade right here, which was our transition color. You guys know that I like to go in and try to blend this part right here. So I'm gonna take that one and blend it in so that the purple doesn't look that harsh. You know, just a technique that I find useful for myself. So we're gonna blend it. You guys can see right here, we're blending that purple in. Okay, ladies, so now we're gonna go in with the blue, and for the blue, I've chosen this blue right here. I was kind of thinking between these two, but I'm gonna go a little bit more with this blue because that one's more of a dark blue, more of a purplish, so I want the blue to pop out, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger for this step. I'm gonna add the shade just in the middle part, just like this. It's easier for me to blend because I know exactly where it's going, and then the pigmentation comes right off your finger. So perfect. So now we're gonna do it to the other eye. Perfect. So we already added the blue. Now I'm gonna go back in the purple just a little bit so that we can go ahead and blend around it real quick. So I'm not grabbing any purple just yet. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just like blend around it, like where the blue is kind of like falling on the purple, and I'm just gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna go in with the purple a little bit, like on the corners. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the purple one more time, just a little bit, and we're gonna like touch just like in the inner part a little bit and a little bit on the outer, just like that, guys, because we don't want to take the blue away. Same thing for the other one. We're gonna go like on the inner part just a little bit, just like that. And then really quick, guys, with a flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the blue and just kind of touch around the blue just a little bit, just like this. We're gonna go around it just a little bit, just like that, just like to touch it up without messing it up. So I'm just touching the blue around, and we're gonna go ahead and leave it like that. And then I have like a smaller eye, so this lid is really bomb. And then this one, I don't know if you guys can tell that my eye's a little bit smaller, so that's why it looks a little bit slightly different. After this step, just end up with my makeup, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do like to the bottom part. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so really quick, guys, I'm gonna go back into this blue, which is the one we used for my lid, and we're gonna go ahead and grab it with this flat brush, and we're gonna actually apply it on the bottom just like on this side. So I'm gonna apply it on the bottom part real quick, and I do it like very thin at first, and then I blend it a little bit down. I don't like to go too below, so we just do it like this, and just blend a little bit, just like that. Now, like you guys already know, I'm gonna do my lower lash. Okay, guys, so that is actually my final look. Let me know if you guys like this look. I was really excited. It was my first time trying these two shades. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and leave your beautiful comments down below. And really quick, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that I am gonna continue doing my giveaways, but before, I have rules and everything, and the way I'm gonna be doing my giveaways from now on is I'm just gonna randomly pick a person. Like, I'm not gonna post them here on YouTube anymore. Like, if you want to support me, you know, I'm really cool with that. The way I want to go ahead and do it is, like, you know, I interact with a lot of people here on YouTube, and they actually follow me to my Instagram as well. So what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing is every month I'm gonna actually pick a person that I see that follows me around, like, you know, that is on YouTube, watches my videos, it's really active on my comments, and as well on Instagram, that we actually conversate, that they like my pictures, that they comment on my pictures. So I'm literally just gonna look for people that support me, and I'm gonna be actually just giving out to the people that are there for me. So yeah, I'm no longer gonna be doing giveaways on where, oh, I'm gonna randomly pick a person out of all these people or whatever. No, I'm actually gonna give to my supporters, like, you know, actually just be like, hey, you know what, you're the winner for this giveaway this month, things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna continue showing you guys what I'm giving away or whatever, but I'm just gonna pick a person that supports me, and yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Until next time, bye.